Our goal was to design an adjustable meter flange that would offer flexibility when installing large meters. We gave it 5/16 of an inch in telescoping adjustment to provide the most flexibility available for meter installations or changeouts. Even when the spacing for your meter is too tight or you just need more space to work, you can still have a safe and quick installation that fits perfectly. Now you can get a telescoping flange in Ford quality no-lead brass with strong meter support brackets and drop-in gaskets in multiple configurations. The flange can move more than a 1/4 inch to provide ample room when dropping a heavy meter into place. Extended length meter support brackets compensate for telescoping and hold your meter in place even when the adjustment is fully compressed. The clever telescope design allows the flange to rotate a full 360 degrees to match any position you need. Then it holds in position and seals tight when pressurized, up to 300 psi. The spacer tool prevents the telescoping flange from moving during service line installation until the spacing is confirmed and the meter is ready to be placed. Then it's removed so the flange can be retracted as needed. We like to think that a setter and a meter are put together at the same time, but often in the real world, the meter can show up much later. When that happens, the flexibility provided by a Ford Adjustable Meter Flange is second to none.